celebrities who had affairs with their nannies and assistants.
After 5 months of marriage to Christina Milian, the Dream ended up having an affair with his assistant, Melissa Santiago, and he ended up filing for divorce days before Christina Milian gave birth to their baby.
2. Gavin Rossdale and Gwen Stefani.
Actually blow up in your face.
In 2002, Gwen and Gavin got married, but in 2016, after having a few kids, they got divorced. It was discovered that they divorced when Gwen found out that Gavin had been having an affair with her own nanny for 3 years, an Australian nanny. Seal and Heidi Klum. After 7 years of marriage, Heidi separated from Seal. Seal claimed that Heidi initiated the separation because she hooked up with her bodyguard, Martin Kristen.
I thought Heidi would have showed a little bit more class and at least waited until we separated first before deciding to fornicate with the help, as it were.
Jude Law and Sienna Miller.
You know you're in trouble.
Sienna and Jude met on the set of Alfie in 2004. They soon got engaged, but there was an explosion of a scandal. One of Jude Law's children caught him in bed with his nanny while they slept. This is one of the kids he had with his ex-wife. Jude Law apologized, but Sienna ended the engagement. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Garner. After 10 years of marriage, Ben Affleck started an affair with the nanny, which ended his marriage to Jennifer Garner. The nanny in question's name is Christine Uzunian. Ben denied the affair. Christine said it
I'm
happened.
going to tell your story. How many offers have you had?
6. Arnold Schwarzenegger and Maria
It's
Shriver.
the worst thing that I've ever done.
In 2011, after 25 years of marriage, it was not only revealed that Arnold had a long-standing affair with his maid, but he also fathered a child with her. Shocking. Maria could not take it, so she filed for divorce and left him. The nanny didn't even have the decency to move out. She stayed and raised her child right inside the house until she was finally confronted by Maria Shriver. Stephen Belafonte and Mel B. The details of this triangle are very convoluted, strange, and just bizarre. Mel B claimed that her ex-husband had an affair with the nanny, Lorraine, but Lorraine hit back claiming that it was both Mel B and her husband that were sleeping with her, and at times they were having threesomes, and Mel B was happy to film them doing all these things. And she only got mad when she found out that her husband was also sleeping with Lorraine behind her back. So that's when she started calling it an affair, but it's something they were all doing together. But in the end, they did get a divorce. David and Victoria Beckham. When David moved to go and play football in Spain, he had this assistant, Rebecca Luz, who was helping with everything, settling in and everything with the kids. At that time, Victoria remained in England with the kids. Rebecca sold a story to the newspapers to say that she had an affair with David Beckham. David denies the affair. Rebecca says it happened. It's an ongoing thing. But Victoria forgave David, and that's what it is.